Hi students, we're excited for you to extend your learning at home as we use this new tool called Padlet. You can use this straight from your parent's phone or from a computer or from an iPad, and we're going to show you how to do that. The first thing that you would do is you're going to click on the link that is sent to you by your teacher, and this is done on my phone. The pictures were taken from my phone to show you what it looks like from a phone. So you click on the link and it would say open with, and you're going to want to open with Padlet. After that, you're going to be taken to a screen directly into the Padlet site. A Padlet is just a wall where we're going to post all of our pictures that we can share with each other about a particular subject. For this assignment, we're talking about living and non-living things, where you would just go outside and take a picture of a living or a non-living thing and tell us about it. To add to our Padlet, you're going to click this plus sign at the bottom. It will take you to a screen that looks like this. From here, you will click the title and your student name. You will then click underneath in this next section and you're going to start typing your information. You will come down here and click the camera, and this will prompt you to take the photo. Following that, you will click the post to add your picture and your information to the class Padlet. This is what your post will look like until it is reviewed. Please be assured that we will be reviewing all posts before we approve them for the other children to see. And then that way we can share information about living and non-living things. Beyond that, we'll look for us to add other Padlets for different topics, and this is a great way just to extend learning and make it more fun. I'm excited to see what you guys add as we go forward.